Guys, Mr. Aaron Berger is here. How are you, sir?
I'm good. It's glad to be in your show, as always.
You didn't know what you were going to say.
I did. I was ready. Always ready.
Guys, we're about to showcase an amazing NETGEAR showstopper. NETGEAR, the same people that do Arlo. Arlo now 14 minutes away from the big launch pad today. Special lowest price anywhere. Mr. Aaron Berger, you have brought with you a monster. And I really mean
amazing.
This is for every one of us that has ever frowned at home because our devices are slow, the internet doesn't work properly. Aaron, it's because it is a new day and a new age. We need more power from our router.
Well, that's just it. We need more speed. This is a TriBand router. So for the first time, you know, you've seen, we've had other great routers on HSN. I'm sure you've seen other great routers, all kinds of places. But for the first time, we have a router that says, first of all, the name NETGEAR, which is the #1 name. 43% of routers are NETGEAR routers. They are the most preferred. They are the easiest to use. They are the easiest to set up. This is not only a tri-band router, it's the fastest we've ever had. So it can actually do 1.3 gigahertz and then 2 5 gigahertz channels all at the same time. I'll talk in a minute more about what that means, but here's the thing. If you have more than one device in your house, if you're streaming on your computer and at the same time you're probably using Wi-Fi on your television and your kids are probably playing games and your husband's probably downloading something on his iPad, and then maybe you have the Arlo security cameras that are coming up, your security in your house is dependent upon your internet and all of that, well, things start to slow down, right? That's because if you haven't bought a new router in the past probably year, you don't have this technology. This is wireless AC technology. And NETGEAR is the only company that you'll hear say, we will never slow down, no matter how many things you have on here, no matter how many televisions, how many computers, how many PCs, how many tablets you have running, you have streaming, you have downloading. You need to have a router that can keep up with this. This is the first one you've ever seen that really, really can keep up with absolutely anything you're doing at home.
We're not kidding around. This is the Nighthawk X6, so we're top of the heap. If we just want to go in there, we don't want to mess around because we want to make sure that we get the best performance, premium performance for every single one of our devices and family members. We're going for the Nighthawk X6. Just by looking at it, you can see this thing is going to deliver a premium experience.
Serious business.
We are one of the only places in America to get this on FlexPay. $51.99. In fact, the only reason we have this tonight is because NETGEAR's Arlo Today special is next. With everyone currently placing their orders, we have fewer than 500 before it's sold out. With this is an easy test. When you get it home, when you plug it in, if you do not see your speeds go from 0 to 60, you send it back and get all your money back.
It's really that easy.
It really is.
And that's exactly what I did. The setup on it is 1, 2, 3. It is so easy. You plug it in, your devices find it automatically. You do have a great control app that you can use. Wow. It's called the Genie that lets you do some controlling, like if you want guests to be able to get onto your network and that kind of stuff, you can control that so very easily. But honest to God, right away, if you've ever bought a computer from me, if you've ever bought a tablet from me, if you've ever bought a phone that uses Wi-Fi, you know that one of the problems is in the afternoon, for example, when everybody gets home and it's 5 or 6 o'clock, you go, the internet seems slow right now. The internet is not slow. The router, and you probably use a router that I'll bet you pay for every single month from your cable company, from your Wi-Fi company. You're probably spending $20 or $25 a month on your router. Don't do that. Get a router that is of today's technology, and what you'll find, the internet doesn't get slower in the afternoon. It's just that more people in your house are all online in the afternoon trying to take more data. But what this does, this has beam forming technology that goes directly to your devices. It doesn't just spread a general beam. You see there's 5 gigahertz, a 5 gigahertz channel and a 2.4 gigahertz channel, but actually, this is the only device I've ever had, it's tri-band. There are 2 5 gigahertz channels on this. Now, beamforming, which I was talking about just a minute ago, you know, if you think about it kind of like a lamp, like if you take the, what's it called, the lampshade off a lamp and the light just kind of goes everywhere, right? Now, you put a lampshade on the lamp and you put some pinholes in the lampshade, and then the light goes exactly where you want, right? That's how beam forming works. So now your devices have a beam sent directly to them that is their Wi-Fi connection, that is their information highway, if you will, and everything moves so much faster. It is immediately noticeable. I have to tell you, it is, once you put it in, once you take it home, you plug it in, and you get online, this is not something that you start to go, is it working? It is immediately noticeable.
A very quick search will reveal the glowing reviews from tech experts.
reviews.
The Nighthawk is just phenomenal. I mean, top class. What I love about this one, it's got Smart Connect, so it knows what device it's connecting to, and it will make sure it's on the right Wi-Fi band for every device, so it's optimizing the performance of every single electronic that you've got in there. You have to try it. I mean, we've never had a router of this caliber before on HSN. This is clearly something completely different. 7 minutes or sell out. We're about to be officially limited quantity as well. We have lots of routers, that's not the argument. You can go on hsn.com, there are a lot of great routers and a lot less money, absolutely. This is for somebody out there that says, I want the fastest, I want the best, I want the latest that's available, and that's what it is. What we did do tonight, because it's a showstopper, is take $40 off. We'll pay the shipping and handling charge, and we gave it a crazy 5 flexible payments as well. So you can buy, you know, Netgear from every fine retailer. They are #1 in the market, but we have Flex, which makes it affordable. Aaron, a lot of people are still very tempted by other routers that will be good for this month or next month, but not next year.
This is Netgear. They own 43% of the market. I want to show you guys a quick video, then we're going to show you about bandwidth and we're going to show you about TriBand. This is sort of silly what I'm going to show you, but it was the best way that I knew to show you my personal experience. So this afternoon, I had my television and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 devices all streaming HSN at the same time. I was streaming either HSN2 or I was streaming things that were posted on our website all at the same time, and you can see all of these. Why can I not get my video to play here? All of a sudden, all of these playing at the same time, and there's no waiting, pausing, or hesitating. So again, I had my TV, I had 2 of my computers, HP computer, iPhone, and a Samsung tablet. Every single one of those playing at the same time, no waiting, no pausing. And I just wanted to show you from my house because I thought, nobody's gonna believe it. Nobody's gonna believe when I tell them every device in my house was playing at the same time, but it was. Take a look at this video. I wanna talk you guys through this video here for a second, talking about dynamic bandwidth prioritization. It prioritizes is what it does. So say, for example, you've got a computer on Facebook. You've got a computer on Netflix, but then maybe you have Spotify on your phone. Maybe you're downloading something. Maybe you have a game going all at the same time. This is what's so cool. The device knows where to send the most power, how to divide the power up. You don't have to choose these things yourself. And did you notice that as it went on, it even changed the priority because maybe it's at a different point in the game. Maybe your computer finishes downloading, so it doesn't stay in second position anymore. It goes to position number 5, for example. And I want to just show you all one more time.
Most routers don't do that.
No, they don't
have that Smart Connect.
I've never seen one that does. I know this is silly, but it's at my house, so I've got to show you. This is my television where I'm streaming video. I have my HP computer, my iPhone. I even zoomed in because I wanted you all to see, no, they're really playing. That's not just a still shot. I've never, in the 10 plus years I've been selling electronics, I've never been able to have every electronic in my house streaming video at the same time. Plus, I really enjoyed your presentation this afternoon with Dr. Amos and everyone that comes along with Dr. Amos. Professor Amos.
He's probably a doctor
I think he should be elevated. The man's brilliant.
I could always tell when Aaron's excited about a product because Aaron will text me and email me and call me.
I did, it's true.
And my phone was ringing off the hook today because this was coming up. But Aaron is, if anybody, a wonderful advocate for great products. And the reason why you don't see Aaron on with many routers is because Aaron typically will only be on air with things that he uses, has purchased for somebody in his family. So when Aaron is here showcasing this, and you can see, I mean, you know, to kind of round out where we started, we're not kidding around. This is an unbelievable product, but it's not entry, it's not average, it's not medium, it's the best. So for somebody that just says, okay, I want to take advantage of the latest technology out there because I do have a lot of gadgets and gizmos, you cannot buy better than the Nighthawk series from Netgear. It's phenomenal. Aaron, I know there's only 3 minutes or sellout left with everyone on the phone line, about 190 or 200 at the absolute most. When we talk about TriBand, what does that mean?
Let's talk about TriBand for a minute. In fact, we have a great little video that we can show you what TriBand means. So, Fast is up to 600 megabytes per second. Faster is 1.3 gigabytes per second. And fastest is having 2 of those full-on 5 gig signals. So with TriBand, you basically have 3. It's like having a 3-lane highway instead of a 1-lane or a 2-lane highway. So as information is passed through your Wi-Fi, it's passed through in a really intelligent way and through many different channels, so things don't get gummed up. It's very similar to the way we think of quad-core processing, you know, as being so important on a computer. It means that you have more channels. It means you have less slowdown. Again, NETGEAR is the only router, and there are lots of great routers out there, but they are the #1 router by far. 43%, almost half of all of the routers out there in America are NETGEAR. They are the only one that will say that when you have 6, 7, 8, 9 devices streaming, and you saw them streaming a minute ago from my house, nothing will slow down. You don't start to get buffering. You don't start to get slowing. You don't start to get that little circle or that little hourglass. So what this means is every device in your house, every electronic in your house, whether it's an Amazon Echo or whether it's the Arlo security system that's coming up in just a minute. Smart light bulbs are a great example. Security systems, you name it. Every device just got a boost. Every device just became 20, 30, 40% better because you're giving it a stronger signal. And so many of us don't realize when things don't run well, when things are slow, we think it's something else. We think it's the device, we think it's the internet. Often it's your router. It's the signal between your router and your device.
But it is something that not a lot of us know a lot about.
Sure, absolutely.
So it takes somebody to say, listen folks, this is where we're going wrong at home. This is the missing jigsaw piece puzzle to make everything work the way it should. You really have to get it into your house and see the difference. I want you to